Hi, Grady. Um, we are still working on measuring. And yesterday you measured with some tiles that I gave you, and you put them close together. You didn't leave a space between them like this, did you? In order to get the right measurement, we have to have them right beside each other so that there's no space in between. That will help us measure. We start at the beginning of the object and we go to the end of the object. Well, this page says Sid and Allie measure the same pencil. So they're measuring this pencil right here. And Sid, this is Sid here. Sid thinks that it's 4 paper clips long. Allie says it's 3 paper clips long. Who do you think is correct? Look and see what you notice different. Sid starts at the end and ends at the end. So does Allie. Allie starts at the end and ends at the end. She says it's 3. He says it's 4. Well, what do you notice about Allie's? What is this right here? Is this a bunch of space that she's left open that she's not measuring? She can't do that. She did that wrong. We have to have them all touching each other like this. So it says circle the name of the student who measured correctly. So we will measure, not measure. Okay, I can use purple. We will circle the kid who answered right. And that was Sid. Allie needs to learn to move her paper clips together so that it will go better. Okay, let's turn the page and see what you're going to do next. Oh, okay. So it says, make your own paperclip measuring tool like the one on the shelf. Measure the length of a door. And I gave you some paper clips. I hope I gave you enough. But you can find them in a little bag that I made for you. And it wants to know about how long is the door. And so you're going to use the paper clips. Maybe your mom has some. I maybe need to give you some more here before I hand these out, because I think that might take quite a few paper clips to measure the door. But you can make a paper clip chain so that they all hook together. That would be the easiest way. Make a chain and see how many paper clips it takes to reach the top of your door, and you might have to have a chair. You might need your mom to help you so you can reach the top of your door and measure about how many is it, and then count how many paper clips and write the answer right there. And this looks like this is like a bulletin board, and I bet that your mom and you don't maybe have a bulletin board at your house. And if you don't have one, then you can pick something at your house that's kind of like one. And same with the desk. You may not have a school desk, but I remember you told me you had a desk. I think you got a desk for Christmas for your room or something. So I guess maybe you do have a desk. You could measure that with paper clips. And as you go through here, you'll see this looks like a chalkboard. You don't have a chalkboard, but maybe I don't know, maybe there's nothing that's like that at your house. But look and see if there's anything that's kind of like that. And if there is, measure that and put how many paper clips. And then you have a window at your house. Measure that and see how many paper clips. And let's see what else you have here. This looks like an easel. You may have trouble finding that. This is a notebook and a chair and a place where you keep files. So I don't know if your parents have, I think you should have a notebook. I don't know if your parents keep files at their house or not, but you might have to ask your mom about some of these things that that you might have at your house. And I bet your mom is a pretty good measurer, so she would probably be able to help you with some of this if you have a hard time. And if you need to call me, then call me because I'm glad to talk to you too. And okay, I don't think there's anything else maybe that I need to tell you about. This says, Lisa tried to measure the pencil. She thinks the pencil is 5 paper clips long. How long is the pencil? So look at that. Oh, poor Lisa. She did not know how to measure with paper clips. So why don't you use your paper clips and measure and see how long it really is and put the answer right there. Look, she didn't line up her paper clips at the end and at the beginning. And it might not be exact, it says about. That means that maybe it won't go exactly to the end here, or maybe it'll be a little tad bit over the top, but it wants to be about how many. And which one of these lines it says, use the paper clip. Which string is about 3 paper clips long? So you have to see, use your paper clips. Is this 3? That looks a little short to me. I think it might be one of these here. And which string is about 3 paper clips long? Fill in the answer for the one that is about 3 paper clips long. All right. Good luck to you, Grady, and looking forward to seeing you soon back here at school. Bye.